the number of homes available to rent at the start of this month was just 4,000. We need a rapid increase in the availability of housing, that supply solution. But in the meanwhile, Minister, can you outline whether your government is willing to accept that the rental strategy that you have set out to this House is not fit for purpose? Is it not now clear that formal rent control that we have advocated for some time, and indeed my colleague Alan Kelly has advocated for a protracted period of time, is the only policy that will have a real impact on the galloping rent increases? And will you confirm your agreement to revisit the whole issue of formal national rent control now?
Deputy Minister.
I think the real solution to this is increased supply. I mean, that is the real focus of the approach that the government has been taking, and it's real supply coming from the social housing. For the first time, we've committed to 47,000 new housing bills on social housing, after a period when there was virtually no social housing constructed. Social housing, for the first time, we've committed to 47,000 new housing bills on social housing.